Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to batch edit photos using presets in the Lightroom app. So first of all, open up the Lightroom app and then select any image of which you appreciate that you want to apply to other images. So you want to apply the same preset that is used over here in this image. So for that, as you can see, I have edited this picture a little bit, so it's not a raw photo. And if I want to transfer the same presets to my other photos, then all I have to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on copy settings. So you can select what you want to include and not exclude when you are copying the settings. So if you don't want to copy the effects, then you can simply uncheck it, and then it will not copy the effects to your other presets. So what you have to do is tap on the tick button over here, and now the settings has been copied. Now go over to the top left corner over here and tap on this arrow. This will bring you back to your home page. And now as you can see, I have some photos over here. And if you want to edit them by using the same preset that I had used in this photo over here, then simply tap and hold on any one of them, and it will allow you to select more than one image. So go ahead and do that. Now that you have selected all of the image that you want to edit, look at the bottom corner over here. There's an option called paste edit, so simply tap on it. However, this feature does require you to have Lightroom Premium, and and if you want to do it for free, then you have to tediously open every one of them image one by one, and then apply the preset to the. I have made a video on that before, so you can go ahead and check that out. But for batch edits, you do need a premium. So yeah, if you have premium, then you can access this feature. And that's it for the video today. If you want to know how to edit them one by one, then I have made a video about it in my YouTube channel. And if there are any questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And if this video has helped you, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching.